Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign up of Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Snapchat is a popular app that allows you to share pictures and short video clip with friends because it's designed to be used often like any other social media app. It keeps you logged in even when the app is closed. That said, it's easy to log out of Snapchat. So this includes the actual iPhone and Android app as well as the desktop website that lets you download your snap code per case, go filters and change your password. So in this video, I'll show you how to log out from your Snapchat. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Snapchat. Now, you can just go to your profile and then you can go to the settings. You can tap on the up right corner on the gear icon, and here you can just scroll down until you find there is an option log out. You can just select on that. Are you sure you want to log out? You save your credentials, so logging back in will be easy. You can change that setting from the login screen. So after you make sure that you really want to log out, sign out from Snapchat account, you can just select on log out. So now you have logged out from your Snapchat account, and if you want to log in back to your account, you can just select on login, or you can switch account. Maybe you have another Snapchat account, you can switch account and log in into your account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to sign out, how to log out from your Snapchat account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.